Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Twitch affiliate status, and here's how it is done. First, let us review what you need to become a Twitch affiliate. I pulled up the Twitch support page, and here's what it says. To qualify for the affiliate program, you have to meet four main requirements. Reach 50 followers, stream for at least 8 hours, stream on 7 different days, maintain an average of 3 viewers per stream. Once you have completed these four requirements, you will become eligible to join the affiliate program, allowing you to monetize your Twitch account and start earning revenue. Now, let us open the Twitch app and check your progress. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then go to My Channel. Here, you'll be able to see your current follower count. In my case, I don't have any follower yet, but this is where you will track your follower growth. To view more detailed analytics, go back to your profile page and select Creator Dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Analytics button at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see all your streaming data and metrics. Compare these numbers to the affiliate requirements. Do you have 50 followers? Have you streamed for at least 8 hours? Did you stream on 7 different days? Are you maintaining an average of 3 viewers per stream? If you meet all 4 goals, Twitch will notify you with an option to start the affiliate program, and you can begin monetizing your content. It is an exciting milestone, and I hope this breakdown helps you reach it. And that is everything you need to know about how to check Twitch affiliate status. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.